I'm from the province of Nanronga, and all my life I've been at school and working in Suva. Managed some small clubs in Suva and came up the ranks to Suva Rugby Union before joining Fiji Rugby Union. First managed the under-20s team to the Oceania. That was my first experience of top level, national level. Then came in the Fijian Drua at the NRC competition 2018 and 19 with the great coach of Seni Rusi Servakula. A little bit of sevens with the Fijiana to Japan, Sydney Sevens, before I got the call to manage the first Fiji Rugby, Super Rugby team. I think first of all you have to love everything you do. Love the boys, love the team, and just keep trying, working hard, and try to get the first thing is to try and get to know the players and know their background. Simple things like some are single mother, then you have to. So when you dish out something, when you talk to them, you know where you're coming from, not just to lay instruction to force them. My dream, I was before Super Rugby came to, when I started with that under-20, then I came up to Fiji Warriors, then NRC Drua. I was hoping to be part of a Fiji Rugby World Cup team. That was my aim, to be part of a management team to any Rugby World Cup, maybe the one this year. But when Super Rugby came across, I said, this is my World Cup. Super Rugby is now my World Cup. Coming to Super Rugby, I think the whole management team with William, who had they had more experience than I had. They were doing a lot of traveling, a lot of tournaments. They won. William and Nava, they were really the ones helping me because they've been winning championship, winning gold. So it was, I was fortunate to be in this team with with those two experiences, as I said, Nava Baunimbuka and William Cook. I think my advice to people who are willing or wishing to be a manager is just work hard and prioritize things. Just see what, there's a lot of things like here Super Rugby, there's a lot of planning and coaches and rely on you, the players rely on you, and marketing team rely on you. You just have to prioritize which comes first and don't just try and impress all, then you end up losing one.